Okay, hello Cloud Gurus, and thank you so much for taking this course. My colleague Mark Richmond and I will be teaching you everything you need to know to pass the Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. My name is Ryan Kroonenberg. I'm an AWS community hero, an Alexa champion, and I'm the co-founder of A Cloud Guru. Over the last 5 years, A Cloud Guru has taught cloud computing to over 2 million people, so you're in really good hands. In this course, we're going to assume that you have no prior AWS knowledge. I didn't start out in tech myself. I used to be an immigration lawyer, and in 2010 I decided I wanted to retrain, and I went to night school and I learnt cloud computing. So I've done the exact same journey as you. This course is really hands-on. It's not death by PowerPoint, and the best way to learn AWS is to get your hands dirty. In this course, we're going to start by looking at a 10,000-foot overview of AWS. We're then going to move on to identity access management in S3. We're then going to look at EC2, databases, advanced IAM, Route 53, VPCs, HA architecture, applications, security, and then finally move on to serverless. And you're even going to learn how to build your very own Alexa skill. Like I said, this course is very hands-on, and you'll learn everything you need to know how to pass your exam, as well as having lots of fun. So let's go ahead and get started.